Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Series 7 with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version and that Bluetooth is turned on. Then, power on your Apple Watch and hold it close to your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and you should see a prompt to begin pairing. Tap Pair New Watch to start the process. Next, you'll need to align your iPhone's camera with the animation on your Apple Watch screen. This unique pairing method uses visual recognition. Once aligned, your iPhone will confirm the successful pairing. You'll then have the option to set up your Apple Watch as a brand new device or restore it from a previous backup, which is great if you're upgrading. After pairing, you'll be guided through several customization steps. First, sign in with your Apple ID and accept the terms and conditions. Then, for security, you'll be prompted to create a passcode for your watch. You can also adjust settings like text size, enable or disable activity tracking, and choose which apps to install. This ensures your watch is perfectly tailored to your preferences. The final step involves waiting for your data to sync from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. This might take a few minutes, depending on how much information needs to transfer. Once complete, you're all set. Explore the many features and functionalities of your newly connected Apple Watch Series 7. Remember to keep both devices charged for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.